2018 Volkswagen Vento. Overview. The 2018 Volkswagen Vento is the most compact sedan in Volkswagen Group Malaysia's lineup. Formerly known as the Polo Sedan, it competes with likes the Ford Fiesta Sedan, Mazda 2 Sedan, Mitsubishi Attrage, Honda City and Nissan Almera. Starting at Rs 79,888, the Vento is available in three variants: Comfortline, Trendline and Highline. Two engine options are offered for this B-segment sedan. A naturally aspirated 1.6-liter MPI four-pot paired to a 6-speed two-word converter-type automatic transmission powers the Trendline and Comfortline variants. Power output is rated at 105 HP at 5,250 rpm and 153 Nm at 3,800 rpm. Claimed fuel consumption is 6.5 liter per 100 kilometers. The range-topping Highline gets a turbocharged 1.2-liter TSI mill that develops 105 HP at 5,000 rpm and 175 Nm of torque between 500 rpm and 400 rpm. The 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission is employed to send the power to the ground. Fuel consumption for the Vento Highline is 1 liter less per 100 km compared to the variants fitted with the naturally aspirated 1.6-liter unit.